So here it is. Here's my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. I like to call it a heist because in the end, they paid me. So this week, $140.26 worth of goods, and I had an overage moneymaker of $10.80. And yes, when I give you this, this includes the tax. So I could probably say it's a $22 moneymaker because there's a lot of tax on some of these items here. So this is for the week of November 4th to November 10th, or November 3rd to November 9th if you live up north. So I'm going to be doing this every week, so please subscribe to my channel so you can get these deals right away and do these deals right off before the coupons are out of print or they expire. So let's get right into it. So I did this in 2 transactions, so as you can see I got a lot of goods here, and the reason for that is there were 2 category coupons. So if you spend more than $50 worth of groceries, you get $10 off a Visa gift card. So you pay $4.95, so it's basically $5.05 off. You pay $4.95 activation fee, so $5.05 off. So I did that deal first, and then with it, that Visa gift card, I bought Wawa gift card. So when the Wawa gift card is for the same thing, $10 off a $50 gas card. So that when I went over for, I only paid $40 for that gas card. So basically getting paid in gas. But let me get right into everything I got here. So let's get into it. Let's start with these Carbona carpet cleaners. So they are on sale, BOGO, this week. They're regularly $5.59 for the pet cleaners and $5.39 for the Oxy powered cleaners. And they're BOGO. So what I did, I bought 10 of them. So I bought 5 of each, and that came to $5.59 for 3 of them and $5.39 for the other 2 of them. So that came to $35.09 when, oh sorry, $29.88 when the tax is included on them. And I used 10 $1 off hang tags. If you don't know what a hang tag is, there it is. It's just hanging from the product. So I used 10 of those. There's a limit of 8 coupons is Publix rule, but I don't know. It's kind of, you're buying 5 of these and 5 of these. So anyways, they let it go through this time, but hopefully they'll let it go through for you too. And then Ibotta had $2 off of each one, a limit of 5 for the pet and a limit of 5 for the Oxys. So you're getting $20 back from Ibotta. So spending $29.88 when tax is included for these 10, we get back $10 from the hang tag coupons, and we got back $20 from Ibotta. Made it a 10-cent moneymaker. All right, let's get into the next deal. So this is a good one. These Tena pads, they are not on sale. They're $5.39 is the regular price for these guys. So when you buy 6 of them, and you want to buy 6 of them, and I'll tell you why. You buy 6 of them, $5.39 for 6 plus tax comes to $35.09. And I know probably people were disappointed because when I did the deal, I got a actually $5 off of each bag last week in Ibotta, and then it went away pretty quick. But checkout 51 has $4 off of each 2. So when you buy 6 of them for $35.09, you use 3 of those checkout 51 rebates, you get $12 back right there. And you use 6 of these coupons. Now this expires Friday, so which is tomorrow. Today's Thursday, so you use 6 of those and you get $12 off of that. And then of course that activate rewards rebate gives you $10 more off when you spend 30 and we spent 35. So we're over that, so you get 10 back from that. Now that's a gift card. It's going to take 4 to 6 weeks, so I haven't gotten it yet, but I've gotten them in the past. So $35.09, and I'm getting back 12 from checkout 51, 12 from the store coupons, and 10 from the rebate, basically paying $1.09 for those. And once again, everything helps you add up to that $50 off. So, and also please save your receipts, because Tena manufacturer coupons come out in the Smart Source all the time, and you could probably take your receipt in and say, hey, last week or 2 weeks ago I did not have my coupons with me, but here they are. And usually they give you a gift card for the coupons. So let's get to the next thing. Mountain Dew Rise. So this is an old one. It's kind of a dead deal, but I still had it in my Publix digital coupon for a free one. $2.50 with tax, $2.71. You get $2.50 back from the Publix digital coupon, costing you only 21 cents for that. You by Kotex did the same deal last week. What I got? 1, 2, 3, 4 of those guys. You buy 4 of them, $3.79 each. And I know a lot of places, a lot of areas have them on clearance for $2.88. Mine unfortunately don't, so I paid $3.79, but I still did pretty well here. So $3.79 overall, did pretty well. $15.16, $3.79 times 4 of them, $15.16. There's a peely on there. If you don't know what a peely is, it's basically a sticker you peel off the product, and they were on there. And so I got 50 cents off each one. There's also a 75-cent printable. You can print it, so you'll do better than me on these. And I got $1 back from Ibotta. You might only get 50 cents back from Ibotta, but I got $1 back from Ibotta, and I got 4 of them. And then there's $4 off of 2 store coupon, good till Friday. So I spent $15.16 for these. I got back $2 in manufacturer coupons. I got $4 back from Ibotta, and I got $8 back from the store coupons, making these only $1.16 for 4 of them. Keep it going. Jove water did this last week as well, $2.49. For this guy, there is a printable coupon for $1 off, or there's a Publix digital coupon for $1 off, and $1.25 back from Ibotta. So you're paying $2.49, getting back $1 from the manufacturer coupon, and you're getting back $1.25 from Ibotta, only costing you 24 cents for that guy. All right, let's go. Celestial Tea. So this is BOGO this week, $3.69. Some have it for $3.49. This is $3.69 at my store, and there's $1 off and $1 off printable, making these 2 boxes $1.69. It's probably the worst deal on this whole table, but my mom's like this tea, so I had to splurge, right? Yeah. So anyways, that was $1.69 for those. Alpha Nuggets. These guys are still here. So these are regular $3.39. They're on 2 for $4. So paid $4. There's Peely for $1 off, and I actually could probably use two Peely, $1 off for the Peely, and then there's a buy one get one free. Blinky, I didn't put it on the table, but you can see it in my last video. So you get $2 back from that buy one get one free, and you get $1 back from the Peely. And then Ibotta for me had $1 off of 2, so it made those absolutely free, 0. Rockstar energy drink, that's another Publix digital coupon, finally using that. That's $2.50 with tax, $2.71. You get $2.50 back from the Publix digital coupon, making that thing only 21 cents. And once again, all these are adding up to $50. One transaction, $50 in another transaction. So for the first, oh, hold on a second, let me keep it going. I got a couple more things on the table. Here we go. Rice and Roni, Heat and Eat. These are on sale from the regular $2.29. They're $1.50 each, so $3 for 2 of them. And there's a Publix digital coupon for $2 off at 2. And Ibotta has 10 cents off any rice, so making those things 99 cents. As we keep it going, last thing, Chobani probiotic. There's already $3.79 on sale for $2.50 this week. Checkout 51 has $1.50 back, and Publix digital coupon has $1.50 off. So pay $2.50 for that. You get $1.50 from the Publix digital coupon off, and you get $1.50 back from checkout 51, making that 50-cent money maker. So as I said, I did this in 2 transactions. My first transaction, if I can remember, I got all these guys. They came to $29.88, and I added on the $15.16 for the 4 U by Kotex, and I believe I got the Jove water and the Chobani probiotic. And my first transaction just came over 50, and I was able to get that. And the next transactions, I finished it up. So once again, oops, I did it again. Yeah, paid shop this week again, no different. As you can see, over a year now, every week I've posted a video of me leaving the store with money in my pocket, or I get it back from rebates or whatever. So that's it. Everybody enjoy their week. Hopefully you can get on these deals. And once again, please subscribe to that funny looking guy right there. Check out my more paid to shop videos. And that's it, folks.